Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a unbagging of a previously built kit. This one here, this one you don't see too often. This is a 1977 Chevy Camaro. I'll go ahead and get her out of the bag here. This one was built probably 77, 78 by me. I realize that a lot of you guys weren't even alive yet that are watching this right now. It was good times though, let me tell you that. Oh, you know what? I had forgotten this. This isn't even the, oh my gosh, look at that guys. I made a funny car out of this one. I totally forgot that. That totally slipped my mind. Isn't that funny? I turned this one, here is the original MPC instructions for this kit, for the 77 Camaro. Let's see what's in there. Is there any decals or anything in there? Nope. So here's the instructions on how to build it. Removing your parts from your runners, they call them. Here's 76 for the instructions. So this kit came out either late 76 or early 77. Here's all the instructions. It should have had chrome bumpers, right? Yes, it does. Excuse me. Okay, here. There it is. Look for all these 1977 MPC kits. And the Camaro RS is right there. I had a bunch of these. Wow. I had that one. I don't know what the Dodge was. That's pretty cool. Datsun pickup, that was a cool one. Yeah. So this was a 77 Camaro RS. There it is. There's the back of it all muddled up. I don't see the rear bumper anywhere. And then here is the frame. Honestly, I don't even remember what this kit was originally. Obviously it was a funny car kit. And here's the front wheels. They've come off because the glue is dried. And it goes something like that, I think, or maybe it goes this way. Let me see. Whichever it is, I'm not sure. And then here is a shifter linkage, which connects underneath. Set that aside. So that's that one. Big surprise for me too on that one, folks. This is the this is the part that connects to the chassis and then gives you the ability to raise and lower the body. It just sets on there. Something. Let's see where it goes. Kind of lands like that, and then with the body on, there you go. Fits like that. Oh, it goes on the outside of those little pins back there. So there it is. That's another previous build by me back in the late 70s. And I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my video. I'd like to see this one in real life, you know. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and help me grow this channel. I'm having a blast. Sorry about the pause there. I was focused on getting that hood to fit on there. So, thank you all again. Appreciate you stopping by. Have yourselves a great day. Keep on modeling.